Wow, it is bright out, bright and cold. Do you guys mind if I put my sunglasses on? So it's been really, really cold the last few days, and we've gotten an awful lot of calls. And I had one customer ask me the other day, they said, Doug, why is it that this stuff always breaks when I need it the most? And I kind of laughed at myself because I have a story about that and a way for people to relate, but it's so true. Furnaces always quit when you need them the most, but it's the same as air conditioners always quit when you need them the most. Furnaces quit on the coldest day of the year, usually at night, usually on the weekend. Air conditioners, they always quit beginning or middle of the summer. They've been sitting idle for a long time. Now they're working hard. You really need them, and that's when they're going to let you down. Usually they're old and tired. That's part of it, but it always seems to happen when you need them the most. So because the fella told me, or asked me, I should say, that why is this? I had to think about it. We've done that before too, to go to town or to get around. And when I was younger, to go visit my friends. So we really depended on our vehicles. Now, if you're in town and you need a vehicle to go to the grocery store, no big deal. It's not working hard, and it's probably not going to let you down. But if it does let you down, it's only going to be a few blocks to get home, or somebody will come and pick you up. But think about it this way, and this is a really good comparison. If it's a small car that you're just driving to the grocery store, no big deal. But imagine that you've made a big plan to get the whole family going away on vacation. Maybe you've got a minivan or a big van, and maybe you're taking your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids on a nice 2-week summer vacation up in the mountains. Now your car or your van or whatever it is old, but you still want to use it. When do you think your vehicle is going to let you down? When you're taking it to the grocery store a few blocks away, when it's not working hard, it's not even barely warmed up, or when you're going up into the mountains with your entire family? When do you need it the most? When are you counting on it? Well, if it's ever going to break down, that's when it's going to break down. That's the best comparison that I was ever able to think of between your furnace, your air conditioner, or anything that you really depend on. When it's working the hardest, that's when it's going to break down. That's when it's going to let you down. And it's also going to be at the worst time of the year. Furnaces break down coldest day. That's when all the service techs and all the companies are busy because everybody else had the same problem. In the summertime, people really get frustrated when they're too hot, even more than when they're a little bit cold. All the companies are busy. Everyone's trying to get out there and service as many people as they can. And equipment, there's shortages. You can't always get what you want. So the best favor you can do yourself is, if you know your stuff's old, take the time, plan ahead, deal with air conditioners this time of year. Deal with furnaces, maybe, in the shoulder season, the spring and the fall, because if it's still working and it's old, just replace it. Shop around, get a good deal, ask lots of questions. So plan for the future and you'll be far better off. Stay warm or stay cool, but please stay tuned.